Okay, I'm making this tutorial for some friend that actually it is not first time and not first friend that I'm coming with the idea, hey dude, I need some comments, and the person goes, yes, yeah, I need. So basically I will make a tutorial short on how to make comments on your Twitch and for your Twitch. So first of all, let's go to the Twitch itself. My Twitch is um, Crazy Chick. Why? Because we are a little bit crazy, isn't it? Okay. And this is my chat. Okay. Yeah. So I can make example how I use comments. Let's say spec. Spec is for specs. So it will say what my specs right now. And I think comments is really comfy because you don't need to waste your time on long explanation or some of the options that you want to have in your stream while having this one. Okay, so how do we do that? First we go to Nightbot. Yeah, I already said it. Nightbot. Nightbot is a bot that works on internet. Um, yeah, it looks like that, and you just need to make login. I log in with Twitch because I stream on Twitch. If you stream on YouTube, just make the YouTube. Yeah, and it's asking me yes. I say yes, and yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. Now it have also song request thing, but the problem is right now on the Twitch that maybe some things not really will be comfy to use. Okay, so we go to comments and we make a custom, because default we don't need default right now. Default is like raid someone, and you know this one. Okay, custom. You see all these comments that I made, and some of them my friend helped me to set up for high, because I was new to the whole stream thingy, and 1 year ago I didn't know what the comments do and how to set, so he helped me to set the comments, and this is his comment. I still keep it because it's nice. So we push the add comment, and here we do what comment will look like, and we do, let's say I want to make a shout out for some friends that doing some interesting stuff that they kinda like, so I will use his name for the shout out. Okay, so this friend, it is his kinda aka name for the stream and stuff, and since I know where I want to lead this message or what I want to write here in message, right? If I would make this comment, let's say something that is not linked, right? So something like hello, I don't know, I like drawings. Yeah, you can just save it as it is, and it's just pushing submit and it's existing. That's that easy. But since it's a person, so I want to be more accurate. So I go to his Twitch, and fuck, what I'm sorry. No. Yeah, I go to his Twitch, and I'm checking that the link that I want to post is actually the link of the thing. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so this person makes nice drawings online, and he can create a whole universe about some imaginary things that like universe, yeah, in his mind. So it's good, and I think it's really interesting. So I just copy, and here I do the paste, and now I can write a comment. Check check out amazing universe creator and art art, creator of art. Yeah, English exam not working. Check out amazing into a creator of art. Okay, yeah, but you got the idea. And now I'm making the send and I say submit. Now you need to wait a couple of seconds. Now you will see probably this comment here because I have too much like so let's go to chat just to taste it. Yeah, okay, that was really important. Yeah, so now when I say the comment try gym. Yeah, you see the message is applied, and Nightbot that already I connected it by giving it this performance exception. It's writing check out amazing universe creator of art and the link, right? And now if I click the link, it leads me straight to this person, straight to yep. Okay, I think yeah, we pretty did the tutorial well. So see you later.